Must-learn skill in 2022, digital literacy. How are you coping with the latest technology? Everyday life has been transformed with the apps, social media, and tech advances, and it doesn't stop. There's an app to remind you what to do, as well as software that makes sure you don't miss out the virtual conversations you have with your friends and family. Much of our time is about adapting to the digitization of almost everything in our lives. And there's only so much you can do to cope, right? Did you know that over 1,000 applications or apps are made every day? That's how fast technology works, and how creative the tech people can get. Among the sea of new skills to learn and modern trends to follow, which of them should you actually pay attention to? In this video, let's go over digital literacy. Welcome to Savvy, where we have lots of practical wisdom to share. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button below, and while you're at it, hit subscribe. What is digital literacy? Typing, communicating, searching, and doing basic stuff using electronics is digital literacy. Essentially, to be digitally literate, you should have basic computer knowledge and skills. If you can research and find recipes on your own on the World Wide Web, you are practicing computer skills, because to do so, you would need to type and navigate the internet. How to practice digital literacy. The following lists are mini skills that can help you practice and even upskill your level of digital literacy, even when you're just starting out. Typing. Typing is like level 0 that all of us need to learn to access and operate the computer. You wouldn't be able to watch videos on YouTube if you don't know how to type unless your gadgets are equipped with voice commands, but even those need some kind of typing to start up. Practice typing until you've, number 1, managed to type without looking too much on your keyboard, and number 2, are able to type faster than average. We're talking about typing 38 to 40 words per minute as average. So stretch those fingers and practice every day. Keyboard shortcuts. Once you are comfortable in using the keyboard, learn some few tricks and save them up to type more efficiently. Keyboard shortcuts literally cuts time by letting you skip the mouse or mousepad to easily maneuver the computer, especially the web browser. Here are some simple shortcuts that you should use from time to time to get the hang of them. Select all, Ctrl plus A. Copy, Ctrl plus C. Cut, Ctrl plus X. Paste, Ctrl plus V. Undo, Ctrl plus Z. Redo, Ctrl plus Y. Close, Ctrl plus W. Delete immediately, Shift plus Delete. Virtual communication. Gone are the days of waiting for days, even weeks, for a letter in the mail to come, and for your reply to reach a friend or family member. Truly, don't you think video and chat applications are magical? To reap the benefits of what this digital age has to offer, you must know how to use applications that let you communicate with others without limit. What I mean by this are those chat applications and video conferencing tools that you can even access for free. All you would need is a Wi-Fi connection, and most days, they are even free in public places now. Sign-ups and logins. Let me be honest with you. Sign-ups and logins can be a pain these days. This is why you must know how to do them and what chain reaction entails them, since almost all of the applications and services can't be accessed without safe logins nowadays. It's important to be patient above all else. To narrow it down for you, here's a look at the simplest process of a sign-up and login. First, sign up for an application or website. Second, you are most likely be asked for an email. Third, activate your account by checking your email. Fourth, make your life easier by setting up one-time logins for future use and smoother access. Those steps are standard and they can vary depending on what service you signed up for. But don't stress. It's just a matter of paying attention to the details and being patient. Friendly reminder applications. Ever heard of ClickUp, Todoist, or Wunderlist? They are applications that let you list down your tasks and manage them according to priority. They are easy and even reminds you through alarms that you can customize, and they're not the only options out there. Lots of choices are available and even free. Do you know what's left for you to do? To learn the basics of installing and setting them up on your gadget, and you're good to go. Emails. It would be almost impossible to access what most of the internet can offer if you don't have at least one email. Let me explain. Emails are like portals where your necessary data are stored in order to access other sites. It's like a master key that you have to know how to use to avoid any access problems in the future. One thing I'm sure of that you should do is save your email credentials somewhere safe just to be sure. The last thing you want to happen is to lose access to your email and with it, your access to other sites. Collaborate. There's no better way to be digitally literate than to share your knowledge and be teachable yourself. Collaborate with others, amateurs and experts alike. Join forums and watch tutorials on your free time. If you're confident enough, you can even join virtual communities like Discord or Reddit to up your game and be able to reach others with the same goals to be digitally literate like you. My biggest takeaway for you is to just start today. The world isn't waiting on you. And the best way to flow is to adapt to the modern changes, without forgetting to have fun along the way. Well, that is enough practical wisdom for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up below. We will be posting 4 to 5 videos per week. So click the subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified of our new videos weekly. Thanks everyone, and see you in the next video. Ciao ciao!